Hello everyone, I am Kavishri Bhat, Executive Director at Bhat and Bhat Tutorials. We are a premier institution offering classes for CA, CS, CMA and for all banking entrance exams. I have come out with this video to inform you all about a great opportunity of getting a secure job during this pandemic. So, what job am I speaking about? How many vacancies are there? How to get this job? And what coaching is required for selection and for how long? IBPS has released a notification for recruitment of various posts in regional rural banks RRBs. There are totally 9,698 vacancies. The common entrance exam for recruiting for these posts will be tentatively held during the months of September or October 2020. We at Bhat and Bhat Tutorials have come out with a comprehensive 45 days planner wherein we will be coaching you to crack this regional rural bank entrance exam. What are the benefits of joining Bhat and Bhat then? There will be methodological systematic coaching. Further to that, Bhat and Bhat Tutorials has its own app, Exam Portal, which gives you real-life experience of writing online exams just similar to your RRB computer-based tests. We at Bhat and Bhat follow 4 golden rules for effective coaching. The first one is to give you in-depth conceptual teaching, which we do on digital platform via online live interactive classes. The second one is to provide you with the study material and the notes. The third one is to give you assignments which comprise of practice questions apart from what we solve in class. And the fourth one is to thoroughly make you practice with lot of mock exams and chapter-based tests. We are starting your 45 days comprehensive coaching from August 10th, 2020. The fees for the course is very nominal and we have kept a fees of rupees 6,000, but here is a catch. There is a flat 2,000 rupees reduction for first 25 students only. So why wait then? Grab this golden opportunity of securing a job in IBPS RRB. Hurry up and call immediately on 8277021721 or 9606864737 for more information. Visit our website www.bhatandbhat.com and our Facebook page Bhat and Bhat Tutorials. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Thank you for watching this video. I wish to see you all in my class. Stay home, stay safe.